If you would like to develop your own digital SAT score, one thing you can do is to build up your own vocabulary skill. You need to practice a lot, and there are many effective ways. One best way, you have to read a lot. By doing this, you have to read the passages about history, social science, natural science, poems, and novels. As you read, you can guess the meaning of the unknown word from the context in the sentence. If you cannot, you can find out the meaning from the dictionary and keep the translator at last. All of this will be easier if you use our material, including the insightful explanation and thorough explanation to each question for you to practice, especially in sentence completion. If you are interested to be the member to get our materials, you can send us correspondence or apply to be our membership by the below address or to contact our officer. Hope to join you in your big fighting for your big dream. See you soon here. Bye bye.